Hello everyone. Today we are learning about module. Now what is a module? Module it's a collection of functions. Like if I give you the example, you have used there or you are using their print statement, and whatever you are writing inside the print, that means it gives you the result. In Python, print is important. That means print it is a function. Same manner if I write here input and writing there enter marks anything, and then it will ask you to enter the marks, and as soon as you are entering it will store and gives you the result. So these are some function performing a specific task. Same manner, Python gives you some modules. Using the modules we can use the functions. Without module we are not able to use them. Now, like, let me give you the example. If I tell you find out the area of a circle, you will write there the value of pi. Then along with the value of pi, you will enter there radius. Suppose I am writing here 6. Then press enter, you get the result. That means you need to remember the value of pi. You need to remember that you are using there pi r square. Okay, so that can be done using the module also. Today we are learning about math module. Now how math module is working, if you see how to use it. First of all, we are using their import math. Now just now I calculate the value of, I calculated the area of a circle. I said that the value of pi you should remember, you should know, then only you can use. But using the math module, what it does, all the mathematical functions are already there. You are just using them. How to use? Now if I write here, let me take one variable, a is equal to math dot pi. Fine. And I am writing there print a. Now what will happen? First of all, you require to save it, like I have saved. So this is saved. Now while you are executing, see the value of pi is itself coming there 3.14, and you know after decimal it takes there 15 digits. So what I did, I have just written there pi. So that also, if you know pi we are using to see the value of pi. Okay. Same manner, next thing, if I need to calculate the power, I'll just write there math dot power is the function, and then I'll write their base value, then I'll write their raised to power, and afterwards I'm writing there print. You save it and execute. Now see, it is simply showing me raised to power. Fine. Same manner we can calculate the area of a circle. Now we know the value of pi, we know the power. So what we are going to do, suppose I'm taking their area is equal to, either you take the variable which I have mentioned there, or directly also you can use math dot pi multiply what we require, math dot power, and suppose radius is there 6 raised to power 2 pi r square. So that is done. Then write print area is equal to comma area. So that's how we are working. Now see, area is calculating there. These both things I have taken individually. Now what I have done, I have used their math dot pi, math dot power. Power and this thing already calculated. If instead of this you are directly using, suppose one more variable I am taking, area 1 is equal to a into b. It's okay. In the a I have calculated pi, in the b I have written their power. And then you print it. I've taken a new variable there, area 1 comma, inside the double quote I am writing there, okay, just a minute, area is equal to, now see, same result it will give you because I have stored the value somewhere. Now see, this is the difference, that is there 5 raised to power 3. Now one more thing can be done there. Instead of fix the values there, power and raised to power, I mean, what can be done, you can enter there, in the sense I'll write there, suppose c is equal to int input, and then enter the base. Fine. Then I am writing d is equal to, now int input, enter the power. Now values are not pre-initialized. I have stored them inside C and D. So this can be done. Okay. Now let's see how it is working. It is asking me to enter the base, suppose 4, then power suppose 2. Now see, it is showing there B, because I have written there print B. It is already written there print B. That is the reason it is showing me 16, 4 raised to power 2, 16. Then using their this thing formula, I have written there A into B. So A into B, this is your area 1. It is showing me 50. See, in the area 1, I have stored A into B. This is your A, the value of pi. Let us make it more simpler. Let me remove the print. We know the value of A and B. We know the value of pi. We know the value of power. We don't require to see it again. Firstly, it is just showing me the area, the first one, where values are pre-initialized. And second one, I have entered the value, base and power. That is inside the C and D, and power inside the B, pi inside the A variable. Okay, fine. So this thing, if you don't require, you just remove it. That only for your clarification I have written. Now let me remove this also. Now this is the simplest one. What have I done? I have just used their variables and base and power. It is now user choice. Now enter the base. Suppose base is 6. This is 3. This is how we are calculating the area. Now what I used their math module. You can check. So math module gives you math.py. It gives you math.power. So many functions inside the mathematical module. Not only pi and power, square root is there, log is there, sine, cos, tangent, whatever mathematical functions you are using, all are available there in the mathematical module. So I hope this is understood. Please practice it and explore the more yourself. You will find out more mathematical functions. So please explore yourself and use them. Thank you very much.